Every time I get a new package, I feel like it's Christmas.
I would say, hey, YouTube, in my nice way, but this is not a happy video. This is an update on the dryer that I praised so much. The Causeway 3.5 or 3.2? And yeah, so it started doing something different. It's working, but here's what it does, okay? It's probably not gonna do it on camera because, you know, when things like this happen, you can never catch it on camera. It will start drying and then it'll stop. Yes, it'll just stop for like 10 minutes, 15 minutes. I don't even know. I haven't really counted how long it's gonna stop. This is not where I normally keep my dryer. I normally keep it behind here, but I wanted to make sure it wasn't the outlet, so I had to drag this out to plug it up to a different outlet. It's not drying my clothes correctly because it keeps stopping, which is causing chaos in my house right now because I'm trying to dry things and wash them at the same time. And yeah, so this is broken. Hopefully this doesn't happen to anybody else. I'm a big believer in some people just have bad experience, and I could just be that 1% of people who didn't enjoy this dryer versus the people that did. I mean, listen, it still works. I gotta give credit when it's due. It still works. It's working. The problem is it keeps stopping out of nowhere, and it's just started. And I'm just over it. So I just came from Best Buy and I ordered a new dryer, and it's not one of these. It is completely different. Look out for that video that's going to be coming, the unboxing, the review, because we're going to get this right. For all my apartment people out there, we're going to get this right, and I'm going to keep trying until we get this right, because going to the laundry is overpriced. It's going to a laundromat. I'm sorry. Going to a laundromat is overpriced, and it's just really convenient to just do your laundry at home, and I don't understand why just because we live in apartments we can't do this. Listen, if you have a washer and dryer in your apartment, shout outs to you. That is a blessing, but you know, I don't have that, so which is why I try to give you guys alternatives. And if you know my channel, then you know this is like the third, not even, maybe the fourth dryer I didn't been through, which is why I just got fed up and I just went to Best Buy. I'm not ordering from Walmart anymore. It's just too much. And yeah, so I'm gonna keep you guys posted. As you can see, it's working, but it's gonna stop eventually. And I'm gonna show y'all when it stops. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna come back and show y'all when it stops. So look, you see right here where the knob is at? Where's the knob? Where is it on? What is it on? It's on 160 currently, right? So I'm gonna come back and show y'all when it stops. So it had stopped before and started again, but I was on the phone. Sorry guys. So now we are currently at 60 minutes and it stopped, and it's not supposed to do that. I want to make that very clear. I had this dryer. I got to see when I bought the dryer, but I had this dryer for a little while, and it always ran straight through. It never stopped. So this is my witness. Y'all my witness. It's not on off. If it was on off, then it would stop. It's on 60 minutes, so it's supposed to be still going, and obviously it's not doing that. So this is the problem that I have with the dryer. This is the reason why I'm going to contact Walmart, because I always get insurance or protection plans with these types of purchases in case things like this happen, which I would advise you to do. I mean, listen, some people don't believe in it, but I believe in it because look at the situation. Just happened like I don't even know how many times. I'm over it. So I will keep you guys updated. Look out for a new video for my new dryer. That is it. That is the last dryer that I'm going to buy. If that dryer breaks on me, I'm over it. I'm about to just start going back to the laundromat because this is not it. Peace of mind. But I thank you guys for watching this video with me. I thank you guys for tuning in and staying with me on this apartment and portable washer and dryer journey. The washer is doing completely fine. I have no complaints with my washer whatsoever. And if you didn't see that video on my Magic Chef washer, you should. I love it. Absolutely love it. That's my baby. And yeah, so thank you guys for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in my next video.
Let's cheerio to another video.